Hi Yasmin. Basically, just giving that a go. Looks original actually. It was, even though it still looks rusty, it looks a lot worse.
Daddy?
Where's the tissue? Did I get any tissue?
Yeah.
No tissue. Doesn't matter, I can use this. So, thought I'd just clean up in here a bit. So I just give it a hoover really and a little scrape. I'm gonna, oh, it's windy isn't it? So it's the first time I've actually seen these heads and they look like quite new heads. There's your rockers, this is the near side. Right, I need to put that thing on first. You want to look, come and look this side. Yeah, my little daughter, 3-year-old daughter wants to look. See, look, watch, get on your knees. You see that? See it? That's part of the engine. So then this, let's wipe it a little bit. Okay, then this goes,
Under.
make sure there's no dust in there first. Just check it. Oh, sorry camera. Right, make sure nothing's falling into it. Okay, that's going to get into the engine. Right, sorry about that. So, oops, that ain't going to work, is it? So let's go up. See that goes there, yeah? Then see this? This has to click up. And the trick is, I'm going to pop it up like that. A bit more. Yay, do you hear that click?
Yeah.
And they do leak a bit of oil when you take them off. So give it a quick wipe. Can't get my finger in there, but that'll do. They always leak the blooming things. That's it, thanks.